mention how I feel when I'm joining this Australia study tour. So this is my first time in Australia, so I had a lot of new experience, and I found new faces because I'm the only one in my class that joined this tour. And the first day after we arrived, we had a lot of sightseeing, like we go to church and park, so we can know a bit of Australia's part. And the first workshop is we doing game stories at Acme University. So in this workshop I studied a lot. I learned a lot because I know how to make game stories on my own, and several endings depending on the choices we can choose. The next day we learned in art center. I thought this is my third favorite workshop because I can make my favorite music depending on my style and with Kaisa as well. And next we go to the RMIT. I learned how to studying a lot of universities, the top universities in Australia. The next, we spend little bit time. We buy martabaks, like just the difference, the price, and we bought it for $60, like 600,000. And after that, we go to the Taronga Zoo. Here I learn how to manage my business and how to gain funds by doing some events. And the next we go to UTS. And then we enjoy a little bit of the Sydney Opera House. And is it on the last day? On the last day, I think this is my favorite day because we had a lot of workshop and I enjoyed the last 3 workshops. Like we go to the dunes and enjoy some sandboarding.